Hello everybody, welcome back to another video unboxing, and today I am going to be doing something that I was not sure I was going to get, but I saw my friend Tom Hunyadi, who you will know as being one of the leading Beatles pros here on YouTube. He has a video cast called Two Legs, where him and his buddy Andy Nichols discuss all things Paul McCartney. And I saw Tom on one of their live chats the other day show this, and I knew that this existed, but I wasn't sure I was going to get it. But it looked so good. It was, fairly reasonably priced, and I don't have any of these on vinyl, so it was kind of a good little way to get me three McCartney albums that I didn't have on vinyl. And here's the box. It's called McCartney. And you can see, sorry for the glare there. You can see my phone and everything set up. There's my light. And then here's the back. And as you can see, it encompasses the three solo McCartney albums, 1, 2, and 3. The first from 1970, the second from 1980, the third from 2020. And it's a box set collection of the three albums on limited edition color vinyl. So, the little back here, the little obi, and you can see I have cut this. I'm trying to save the shrink around it. But on the back it says, Paul McCartney, McCartney 1, 2, 3, instruments and voices by Paul McCartney, produced and composed by Paul McCartney. Limited edition 3-disc, 180-gram audiophile color vinyl set in clear, white, and cream, including 3 8x10 photo prints with introductions from Paul. And really cool to have this. So let me go ahead and get out the three albums. And I will start with the prints. So there's McCartney. And then if you want to pause that to read it, I'll read it later. And then here's McCartney 2. So there's Paul in 1980. And then on the back, he's talking about how he was wanting to use synthesizers. So that's kind of cool. And then McCartney 3. Very spiffy looking 78-year-old Paul McCartney there. Talking about Lockdown. And what's really cool, I just noticed, and I'm seeing this for the first time with you all too. All of the signatures are different. So it's like he actually signed off on all of these. So that's kind of cool. And let's start with McCartney. Very cool to have that. And then there's a gatefold. All the pictures. And let's see the vinyl. Well, if I can get it out. It's a white sleeve. Ooh, it's staticky. Come on. There's your clear McCartney vinyl. With the Apple logo on the back. and it is durable. And that particular album, the cover of it feels kind of matted, which is kind of cool. But McCartney 2 is glossy. So just your standard McCartney 2 with the cool gatefold. Very cool picture of Paul. And let's see the vinyl. Lyrics. Much easier to get out. You got this nice milky white on the Parlophone label. So very cool to have this as well. And then lastly, McCartney 3, which is a really good album. Everybody talked about there being so many different variations of this. Kind of started the trend for all of that. This one is also matted, the cover. And then some cool looking pictures in here that you all you Beatle people know all about. And last but not least, McCartney 3. Looks like there's a little bit of a tear on the seam. But you have all of your lyrics. And this cream color vinyl. So, very cool collection from Paul. I know there are some mixed feelings on it. You know, people saying, you know, why, you know, rehash this out over and over and over again. You know, McCartney is selling out, blah, blah, blah. But, you know, somebody like me that's just building their vinyl collection, I think it's a neat little, set to have. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Yeah, so thank you, Paul McCartney, for putting this out. Thank you, Tom, for being the inspiration. And I know I've also seen a video from Marv over at Beatle Vinyl 95. So cool video from Marv as well. So anyway, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. And in the meantime, y'all be good. I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye now.